Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Gathering and assembling your supplies. Purchase a mirror. Determine where you'd like to put your makeup mirror with vanity lights. Measure the space where you want the makeup mirror to go. Be sure to get exact measurements for width and height of the mirror. Buy a mirror that fits your dimensions from a home goods store, home improvement store, or even thrift store. Make sure that the mirror you choose has a border that's wide enough to attach your vanity light bars to. Purchase your vanity light bar equipment. You probably have several things you need already lying around your house. Find 2 extension cords, scissors, and picture hanging strips, the ones with adhesive that pull off. You may need to go to a hardware or lighting store for vanity light bars and light bulbs. Use the type of light bulbs that your vanity light bars manufacturer recommends. You can also find vanity light bars online in a variety of sizes. Open your light bar boxes. Take the 2 light bars out of their boxes. Remove the caps that surround the sides of each socket. Set the caps aside and take care not to lose them, since you'll need to reinsert them after you install the light bars. These are usually reflective like the mirrors, so they hide the bases of the light bulbs when reinstalled. Screw the light bars onto the mirror. Set the light bars on opposite sides of mirror. Place the bars where you ultimately want them so they lay flush against the frame. Depending on which light bars you purchase, you'll see holes for screws in several places. Use a screwdriver or a drill to secure the light bar to your mirror. Your vanity light bars will probably come with the screws you need to attach the bars. Cut your extension cords. Take a pair of scissors and cut off the adapter end of your extension cord. Do this for both extension cords, and take care not to cut yourself while using the scissors. Make a 1/4-inch cut at the end of the cord where you just removed the adapter. You should cut in between the 2 thin cords that are connected. Expose the copper wiring. Once you've cut in between the cords, hold 1 cord in each hand and carefully pull them apart. Keep pulling until you have about 5 inches of separated wires. Use your scissors to cut just the plastic covering the copper wire about 1 inch from the end. Once you've made the cut, slide the plastic off the end so you see the copper wire. Do this for both of the wires on both sets of extension cords. Take care not to cut into the copper wire while you're cutting away the plastic covering. Setting up and hanging your makeup mirror with lights. Connect the extension cord to the vanity light. Lift off the top bar of the vanity light bar. You should now see copper wiring covered in black plastic and white plastic. Feel the copper ends of the cord you split. Take the one that feels smooth and twist it together with the black vanity cord. Take the one that feels rough and twist it together with the white vanity cord. You can simply twist the cords by crossing them over repeatedly like they are twist ties. Place wire nuts on the cords. Your vanity light bars should come with plastic wire nuts. These are usually orange or yellow and cone-shaped with internal threading. Take 1 plastic wire nut and firmly place it onto the exposed copper wire that you just twisted. Twist the wire nut until it's affixed securely. Repeat this for each connection between the light bar and extension cord wires so that all the copper wire ends are covered. The wire nuts are necessary to securely connect the wire and reduce the likelihood of electrical fires, so it's important to use them. Attach the light bar cover. Make sure the wire nuts for both the white and black wires in the light bar are affixed firmly. Set the cover back onto the vanity light bar so that all the cords are covered. When doing this, try to keep the white and black wires separate from each other within the light bar. Separating the cords can prevent the cords from touching, which can cause the circuit breaker to trip or even cause a fire. Screw in the light bulbs. Take the metallic caps that you set aside earlier and set them back into place around the sides of each electrical socket. Screw one light bulb into each electrical socket so that it's firmly in place. Plug the extension cords into power outlets and turn on your vanity lights. If you're using a wireless remote control, you may need to follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding setup. Hang the mirror. Mark the back of the mirror where you'd like to screw in hardware. Some mirrors already come with hooks attached to the back, so you simply need to hang the mirror on the wall. Measure the distance between the hooks. Measure the same distance on the wall where you're hanging the mirror and make a small mark. Use a drill to attach hardware like a wall anchor or screw to the wall so you can hang your mirror. Make sure you weigh the mirror and use hardware that supports that weight. Otherwise, your makeup mirror may damage your wall or fall down.